Dee-dee-ding-dee-ding. Along the meadow path, a gentle breeze blows by. Dee-dee-ding-dee-ding. Under the warm sun, the alpaca walks along. The alpaca walked along the path and saw a little donkey, standing alone and looking around, not knowing where to go. The little donkey had lost his way and looked for the road to town. The alpaca came up gently and said, "Let's go together."